Hey everyone, I wanted to show you how you will complete your math activity assignment for today, Friday, December 11th. And it is, just so you know, a quiz grade. It is worth 100 points. And it is due today, Friday, December 11th by 11:30. So if you go to Google Classroom and you click on classwork, and then you find this week, the week of December 7th through the 11th, you're going to click on the assignment that says Friday, December 11th, Math Checkpoint. So I'll go ahead and click on it. And I'll read the directions as you are finding your file. It says 1, complete this on Zoom on Friday, December 11th. Take your time. Read each question carefully and look at each answer choice. Complete each slide. Don't skip a slide. Don't skip answers on slides either. When you are finished with each slide, click Turn It In. Just a reminder that this is a graded assignment. It is worth 100 points. It is due by 11:30 on Friday, December 11th. So now you should have found yours. I'm going to open it and I'm going to remind you or go over with you what you should do. The first thing you do is you're going to click right here and you are going to type your name. So to get rid of type here, you can highlight over it and just begin typing your name, or delete that and type your name. But make sure your name's on it, please. On this one, you are going to answer the question using the tenths and the hundredths, okay? So it says that you can put it here. That is so hard to see. So I would just move them here. See how you could just click and drag them? To explain in this box with words and numbers how the number 30 hundredths can mean 30 over 100 and 3/10 at the same time. This one we had a big discussion about. If you relate it to money, it might help. Okay, so to type in words, because it says in numbers and words, you would just highlight that and then you can begin typing. On this one, you're going to type in here to write this decimal in word form. Remember that you can go to Google Classroom and you can use this virtual place value chart to help you. Some of you, I expect you to open this place value chart. And this one, you've got the decimal in word form and you need to type and put it in standard form. Remember, standard form is the way that numbers are normally written. Again, you can go to Google Classroom and open the virtual place value chart to help you. Some of you do need to open this and use it. And on this one, you're going to click and drag the greater than, less than, and equal to signs to each box, okay? So there are 3 that should have answers on them. On this one, you will need to first solve this on a piece of paper or a whiteboard. Doesn't matter to me. Then you're going to click and type in your answer. A couple things you need to remember on this one. Pay attention to the sign. This is an addition. This is an addition problem. This is a subtraction problem. Addition, subtraction, subtraction. Many of you are just glancing at it and solving it either with addition or subtraction, but you're not actually looking at what the sign is telling you to do. Slow down. Look at what the sign is telling you to do. Also, if you want to line it up on your virtual place value chart, that might help some of you. And on this one, you are putting these decimals in order from smallest to largest. You can see that I've already moved 9 hundredths down because that was the smallest decimal. Now you need to choose the next smallest, then the next one, the next one, and the next one. So they're all lined up right here on the number line. On this one, you're clicking and dragging the greater than, less than, or equal to signs. Again, if you want to go to Google Classroom and use that virtual place value chart to line them up on there, you are more than welcome to. And then on the last one, you need to complete these on a piece of paper or whiteboard before you click and type the answer in. So first, you would put this on a whiteboard or a piece of paper. You would solve it, then you would come right here and you would type your answer. And to do that, you just highlight over the word answer, click delete, and type your answer. Now, my expectation is that everyone is working the entire time. My expectation is that you are doing your very best. You're not just guessing, you're not just typing in answers, because this is a quiz grade worth 100 points that is going on your report card. This is also a review for our test, which we will take Thursday, December 17th. Take your time, slow down, and do it right. When you're done with it, remember to go back to Google Classroom, back to the assignment, click View Assignment, and turn it in. That's also on the directions. Turn it in.